இப்போ வந்து காரில் ஊட்டி போன வரைக்கும் அந்த நம்ம கார் நம்பர் பார்த்தாச்சாலும் நம்ம கடை பற்றி யோசனை வருவாங்க. ஐ திங்க் த பெஸ்ட் ஃபுட் லவர்ஸ் ஆர் இன் கோயம்புத்தூர். No mall in India is giving, you can get tea for 10 rupees. We have Arabic, we have the South Indian food also. Snacks பார்த்தாலே சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். I have no competition and I don't fear competition also.
Tell us about your beginnings.
Vanakkam Coimbatore. I am Mujibur Rahman, the chairman of TN43 Group. See, this has been started in 1972 from my father's time. Now I made it as a brand recently only. But this whole group is from the elders to now the present it's the same journey, it's the same family members, and it is my own family members who's traveling in this. This is my 22nd shop. இது வந்து ப்ரூக்ஃபீல்டில் தான் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் இந்த ஜேர்னி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியது ஊட்டி தான் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கு. அங்கேயே வந்து TN43 அந்த நீலகிரி ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் வச்சு தான் இது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஸோ நவ் இப்போ வந்து we have 22 shops and we have in Ooty Nilgiris we have around 11 shops and down in the plains we have around again 11 shops. So that's the format.
Why did you choose TN43 as your brand?
So easy to remember. It's my lucky number is 7. And I feel that TN43 is a very simple thing where everybody can remember. இப்போ வந்து காரில் ஊட்டி போன வரைக்கும் அந்த நம்ம கார் நம்பர் பார்த்தாச்சாலும் நம்ம கடை பற்றி யோசனை வருவாங்க. இதுக்கு தான் அது பண்ணியிருக்கு.
What is your plan for Kovai?
Coimbatore we have taken spaces, but here in mall we are planning for 2 outlets. One near to the cinemas and one here started in the food court. So this Coimbatore வந்து we are planning in Tudlur also, and rest we are also taking some other unique places in Coimbatore which I don't want to disclose it right now.
What brought you to Kovai?
I think the best food lovers are in Coimbatore, and I have seen that people drive down to even to Karamade to Ooty to come and have food from my place. So அதுக்கு நான் ஒருத்த இதுதான் இங்கே தான் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியாச்சு. We can give some good tasty and delicious food here in Coimbatore, and their mouth possibilities is more easier.
What makes TN43 restaurant unique?
See, I have no competition and I don't fear competition also. I'm very positive in that thing because my foods are very unique and it is all roasted. So we have roasted samosa, we have roasted cutlets, and all my snacks are roasted. So it is similar to like having a KFC chicken. So that when you need to pay 250 rupees, I just charge 50 rupees only. So that is my uniqueness. And my tea here is just 10 rupees. That is, no mall in India is giving, you can get tea for 10 rupees. So I can say in the world also nobody can charge 10 rupees in a mall. But I am the only person who is doing that, and in my shop, regular shops also it's 10 rupees only. Yeah, we have non-veg and veg, and our menu is very limited. We don't have hundreds of things. 30 to 40 items which is specialized and made unique. See, because being in this field, every time we need to have uniqueness to attract customers. So every month I change my menu. Snacks பார்த்தாலே சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Grill பார்த்தா I have branded as the world's best shawarma and grill. I have people from US also who has come and told me, I don't get it in Arabia also, this is so tasty. So I have that thing also.
How hygienic and safe are your foods?
First of all, it is a teamwork and it is done by all my staff members who is in the main kitchen are fully ladies. எல்லாரும் வந்து லேடிஸ் தான் பண்ணும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் வை இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஹோம் மேடு. இந்த ஒரு ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 40 லேடிஸ் ஆர் ஒர்க்கிங் தேர் அண்ட் தே மேக் த என்டையர் ஃபுட். ஸோ இட்ஸ் ஸோ ஹைஜீனிக் அண்ட் வந்து எனிபடி கம் எனி கிச்சனில் வந்து பார்த்துட்டு யூ கேன் see how clean I have kept it. So I can bet anybody for my hygiene things. So it's so clean. We are concentrating mainly on Kerala dishes where most people from Kerala, when they drive, they come down and see, they have the Kerala dishes here. And the food it's like a homemade, and the veedu samayal, that concept. So people feel that it is made from home only. And it is with all ethics of the food. We don't buy any packet foods. Everything is our homemade things. See, I eat from my own restaurant. That is itself shows how healthy the food is, because I am very faithful and sincere about my food giving to other people. So hygienic I am giving. So when I am eating itself, then I can give guarantee to the public also that when I am eating, I can give to others also.
What type of cuisines are here and how affordable are they?
We have Arabic, we have the South Indian food also, and we have special made food for customized for the people of the surroundings. See, my food range starts from 10 rupees to 450 only. But other people, they start from 200 onwards to 700, 800. Mine is only just 10 rupees to 450 is the max.
What are your expansion plan and what do you wish to say to Kovai?
In another 1 year, we will be entirely in South India. That plan, and all malls I'm going to come. Not in Coimbatore, in South India. You should definitely come and taste my food and see the budgeting I have done, and so hygienic food. And I'm sure that once you have it, then you are my favorite customer and my fan for this food.